going to be super quick. I'm going to tell you what I made this month. Actually, I'm going to show you. I'll show you the thumbnails of the videos I put out, which is all the projects I made. So let's start with the first thing, and that was a collaboration, the Trick or Treat Treasure Team collab. It was 4 weeks of different themes, like we did a card, we did a mini album, a junk journal, and something to hand out for trick-or-treaters. But there was a couple of different options. Let me know if you guys saw that and if you like that 4-week format, because we're going to do it again for Christmas. So stay tuned. Another thing I did is I made a mini album using Graphic 45's Autumn Greetings collection. And of course, I did a tutorial. That is a really neat tutorial, so if you're interested, go check that out. It was fun to use all this fall color. I just enjoyed making it so much. Here's a sneak peek of just a couple of the pages. There is a walkthrough video if you're interested as well. Just check out my channel. Every once in a while, I will put in my Etsy shop some mini album kits where I make the mini album and cut the paper, so all you have to do is decorate it. So there's a couple still left in my shop. I know I had them on sale. They are on sale as I record this. So if you need somewhere to put your photographs for Halloween, you still can get those. I jumped in the rabbit hole of digitals and used a Kara Brandon Creations digital file and made this little folio. I will do a tutorial. I'm just waiting for some supplies, but it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed doing that, and I'll probably do more digitals. Something else new and exciting is my friend Biddy Penny came out with her own paper line. So I made a sort of a crafty planner, something to put all your crafty notes in, like if you take measurements, if you want a list of things you want to buy, where you want to put your receipts. So I just made something because the paper called Crafty Queen was so beautiful. Then I jumped ahead to Christmas. I actually didn't have any fall paper in my stash and grabbed the Graphic 45 collection Merry and Bright and made another mini album. I love this mini album. I added glitter to it and it was bright and cheerful for Christmas. I just thought it was a lot of fun. So take a look at the video that will come out later today. So make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell for notification when you know it's coming out. I had some leftovers, so I made another folio with some of the leftover paper. My goal for October, I have 2 goals. Number 1, finish my Christmas stash, which I thought I did last year, and I did. Some more crept into my stash over the past couple of months. And I will be using the new Graphic 45 Curiouser and Curiouser collection, an Alice in Wonderland collection, to make a new mini album, and I will have a tutorial on that. There is a link in the description box on where you can get it. That is what I have for you today. Thank you so much, and have a fabulous day.